Guardians of the Green, unveiling the Amazon rainforest's deadly secrets. Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies a world teeming with life, a delicate balance of beauty and danger. In this documentary, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden secrets of the Amazon's most dangerous animals, exploring their unique adaptations and the crucial role they play in this remarkable ecosystem. Meet the bullet ant, aptly named for its excruciating sting, and often described as being shot by a bullet, with a venomous bite that causes intense pain lasting for hours. Encountering this tiny predator is an experience never to be forgotten. Despite its small size, the bullet ant commands great respect in the rainforest. Local tribes test their bravery by enduring the sting as part of their initiation rituals. As we venture further, we encounter the legendary predators of the Amazon rivers. The mighty black caiman, a cousin of the crocodile, dominates these waters. It is a stealthy hunter, silently lurking beneath the surface, waiting for unsuspecting prey. With its powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth, the black caiman is not a creature to be trifled with. Its size and strength make it a formidable apex predator. The Amazon rainforest is not just a realm of darkness and hidden dangers. High above the forest floor, in the tangled branches of the canopy, resides the striking harpy eagle. A master of the skies. With its massive talons and keen eyesight, the harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world. It reigns as an aerial predator, hunting monkeys and sloths, and plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. As the sun sets, the Amazon rainforest undergoes a dramatic transformation. The night brings out a host of formidable creatures that thrive under the cover of darkness. Meet the Amazon's apex land predator, the elusive jaguar. This magnificent feline possesses incredible strength and agility, making it a top predator in the dense jungle. Equipped with razor-sharp teeth and powerful limbs, the jaguar is a master of stealth, silently stalking its prey before delivering a swift and deadly pounce. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these majestic creatures, as their survival is crucial to maintaining a healthy ecosystem. While these animals may be dangerous to their prey, they are an integral part of the web of life in the Amazon rainforest. Each plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance that sustains the countless plant and animal species that call this place home. As we conclude our journey through the Amazon rainforest, we are reminded of the fragile harmony that exists between danger and beauty. The creatures we've encountered serve as a testament to the intricate tapestry of life, where survival is a constant struggle. Join us in appreciating and preserving this remarkable ecosystem, for within its depths lie the guardians of the green, the Amazon rainforest's dangerous animals.